Hello, I'm Chris Carbone from Intex Millwork Solutions. Each month we're taking a few moments to update you on some of our unique products. This month's featured product is our low voltage LED lighting program. The quickest and easiest way to turn your deck into the beautiful outdoor oasis you're looking for is with an LED light package. Our low voltage LED light program comes in many different options. You have our standard flat lid as well as our pyramid design for either our 5-inch or 6.5-inch Newel post. Contrary to industry standard, which would be a vinyl or composite composition for your lid, we offer a beautiful solid cellular PVC product that looks and feels like a traditional wooden product. As opposed to having to solder or wire nut your connections together, we have a fast and easy plug-and-play design that daisy chains through your entire system. This means no electrician required and no electrical permit. Our easy ordering system makes things even better. You typically only need 2 items to complete your order: your lid of choice, as well as one of our 2 transformer options. Our entry-level transformer comes standard with a photo eye for easy on and off. Our upgraded transformer comes with a dimmer and a key fob. With Intex's low voltage LED light program, you can easily transform your deck into the outdoor living oasis that you're looking for. Thank you for taking a few moments to learn about Intex and our products. If you'd like more information, please go to our website at www.intexmillwork.com. We look forward to sharing more Product of the Month videos with you soon.